Hello, today I'm going to share with you how to make these frozen banana snacks that are delicious, great for summer months or when you just want a healthy snack. So we're going to start by getting 3 bananas, peeling each banana, cutting in a half and then each half into another half lengthwise, creating 4 pieces in total out of each banana, and that's 12 pieces in total. Then I'm going to take 3 dark chocolate squares, that's around 1 ounce. I'm using 90% chocolate. You can use any chocolate you like. And I'm going to add in the chocolate pieces into a bowl. You can break them apart so they melt easier, and I'm adding 3/4 of a teaspoon of coconut oil, and I'm going to pop this into the microwave just for a couple of seconds to let it melt. You want to mix it throughout until it's completely melted, but honestly it just takes a few seconds. Just be patient and mix. Once that's done, I'm going to prepare a little tray or a plate, but I'm using a tray and I'm going to have it covered with baking paper. On that, I'm going to place all of my banana slices. Now, we want around 4 tablespoons of crunchy peanut butter, crunchy being the keyword here. You want a little bit of crunch. And I'm going to cover each banana slice with around 1 teaspoon of this butter. You can use other nut butters as well. Whatever you prefer, it will work because you're just freezing this up. Once I'm ready with my butter, I'm actually going to pour over the melted chocolate. I'm using a teaspoon. It's very easy, just like that. And finally, I'm going to use around 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut. So I'm using around half a teaspoon of shredded coconut per piece, and then just sprinkling it all over the snack. Now we want to pop this into the freezer on the tray and let them freeze up. It takes around 1 hour to 2 hours to do that. After that's done, we want to take the frozen pieces and just eat them if we want, or we're going to pop them into food containers that are sealed nicely and keep it in the freezer for as long as you want, honestly up to a month. They taste amazing. Then use the knife to basically separate them. It's quite easy, and let them melt just a little bit before I eat them because they taste better that way. These snacks are perfect for kids, for adults, only 78 calories per piece. They have a little bit of fat, a little bit of protein, so they're not entirely sugary. Enjoy and take care. For all recipes, go to allnutritious.com, subscribe and like. Thank you!